I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only truly perfect egg sandwich. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 large, fresh eggs, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Don't forget a slice of your favorite cheese, perhaps a sharp cheddar or a classic American, and just a pinch of salt and pepper to season our delicious creation. These simple components are the foundation for an amazing breakfast. Now, let's master the art of cooking our eggs. First, melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in a non-stick pan over a gentle medium-low heat. Carefully crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan, ensuring the yolks remain intact. Allow them to cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are mostly set. Then, with a gentle hand, flip them over and cook for just 30 more seconds if you prefer a wonderfully runny yolk. With our eggs perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Begin by toasting your 2 slices of bread to a beautiful golden brown. While the toast is still warm, place 1 slice of your chosen cheese directly onto 1 piece. The residual heat will start to melt it beautifully. Now, carefully transfer your 2 perfectly cooked eggs onto the cheese-covered toast. Finally, crown your creation with the 2nd slice of toast, completing your truly exceptional egg sandwich. For that extra touch, consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick, or a sprinkle of fresh chives for a hint of oniony freshness. The key is to serve your sandwich immediately to savor that warm, gooey cheese and perfectly cooked egg. This entire process, from start to finish, takes less than 10 minutes, proving that a truly delicious and satisfying meal can be incredibly quick. Now, go ahead and enjoy your perfectly crafted, delightful egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.